In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message Shein about an order. If you're waiting on a package, need clarity on a delivery update, or have a question about a recent purchase, I'll walk you through exactly how to reach support through the app or website and connect with a real person when you need one. Start by opening the Shein app on your phone or go to the Shein website in your browser. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're using the account that placed the order so support can see the right details. From the main screen, look toward the top of the page near the shopping cart icon. You should see a customer service option there. On some versions, it may be labeled Help Center. Tap or click that to enter the support area. Once you're in customer service, choose Live Chat to begin a conversation. This opens the chat window and usually starts with a quick greeting. Go ahead and message your issue. Keep your first message clear and specific so the system can route you correctly. Mention the order number and what you need help with, like a delivery status check, a sizing or return question, or an address concern. Short, focused messages tend to get faster results than long paragraphs. Often, an automated assistant will reply first and offer suggested answers. If those replies don't solve your problem, or you simply prefer to speak with a real person, type the word agent or human in the chat. Keep it simple and send it as its own message. If the bot keeps looping, send agent or human again to trigger a handoff. While you're waiting, keep the chat window open and watch for notifications. Response times can vary based on demand, and staying in the chat helps you keep your place in the queue. When an agent joins, briefly restate your issue, provide any key details like the order number and the specific item, and let them know the outcome you're hoping for. Be polite and concise. It makes it easier for the agent to help quickly. If you receive instructions or next steps, read them carefully and ask for clarification right away if anything is unclear. Before you end the conversation, make sure you know what will happen next and when to expect an update so you have a clear record of the resolution inside the chat. That's all there is to it. Open the app or website, go to customer service near the card icon, choose live chat, send your message, and type agent or human to connect with a person when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your order sorted smoothly.